Okay, it's a brief video here showing a dashboard of a 1978 Toyota Celica GT. Sorry about the artificial lighting here, but it's the best I can do. Main purpose here is to get an estimate, hopefully, for repairing the dashboard. Measured it, it's about 50.5 inches wide, 5 inches deep, about 4 or 5 inches tall. Just this padded part along the top. See, there's a crack here, crack there, two small cracks right there, another one that's really hard to see here. Seem to have lost it, but the vent, it's got this curve right here, and then you can see up underneath it. And another curve.